Hi friends, look at these guys. They are, puppies are escaping, David. Oh no. Oh, they're all coming toward me, that's why. Okay, here we go. I'll come over here and talk.
Nothing over here to see.
Puppers, hi. Hi guys, hi. They're 4 weeks old, huh, David? They got some toys. They've got teeth. Their eyes are open. They're playing with each other. We got wagging tails. Hi. They recognize our voices. Okay, David, scoot in a little bit and play with them over there. Yeah, thanks. Here we go. We've got pink. And here's purple. They just got a bath, so some of them are tired, some of them are feisty. Aw, we got wagging tails and licks and kisses. David, get a squeaky toy, okay? Hello. Hi. Oh, they're so curious. All right. Oh boy, she doesn't like that noise, I don't think. That's pink collar. She's like, I'm not too sure about that noise. Oh wait, is this pink? Oh, this is purple. So sorry.
Oh.
Purple.
Here's
green. Here's pink. And here's orange. Oh, I like her a lot. She's the smallest, but she's got the best personality. There's
a puppy behind
blue. Here's light blue. And then right next to David that's gray collar. That's pink.
Pink?
Here they are. Oh, little blue is going to take a nap. Light blue is about to play with you. Want to do a squeaky toy? Because all of these puppies over here. There we go. Oh, boy, see? Orange. She's like, I think I want that. I think I want that toy. Oh, she got a waggy tail. Oh, here we go. Come here, Red. Go get the toy. Go on. Here we go. All right.
This puppy's trying to eat me.
Is that light blue?
Yeah.
He's playing pretty good for 4 weeks old. All right, friends. Well, we got an escapee here. Mr. Green. Mr. Green escaped. Alrighty, so we're going to see you guys next weekend. We're looking forward to seeing you, and you get to pick out your puppy at 5 weeks old. And then 3 weeks after that, you get to take puppy home. All right, meanwhile, we're having fun with them here. We'll send you a link with some pictures also. All right. Have a good week, everybody. Bye. Say bye, David.
Bye-bye.